All right, all right. We are back. Good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back on our top-down analysis. You guys know how we'll do it. You guys know how we'll do it. We'll never back down, no matter what. So as you are joining us, let's see. Tell me where you are watching from. Tell me where you are streaming from. You get. Tell me where you are streaming from. Tell me where you are streaming from. You understand? We are back. Tell me where you are streaming from so that we'll continue. But before that, let me go straight to the analysis. You understand? Let me go straight to the analysis because like the reason for this particular live video is to do a top-down analysis, then take a question from you guys. You understand? Take a question from you. If there is any question you want me to like, if there is anything you want to tell me or any question you want to ask me, just ask me direct here so that I'll answer you. You get that is the reason for my always live stream. You understand? You know, I do live stream in the morning and I do in the evening. You understand? In the morning during London section, I'll tell you guys what I'm looking out for on the London section. Then in the evening, we'll come here, we'll ask ourselves question, answer like you ask me, I'll answer you. You understand? Then I'll do a top-down analysis so that we'll know what like so that you learn how to do a top-down analysis on your chart and you know what to do if you whenever you come on your chart. You understand? Make this easy for ourselves. You get so this particular channel is all for you. You get this particular channel is all for you. So before wasting much of our time, let me dive into the analysis. You get let me dive into the analysis and I'll be waiting for your question or anything. Tell me where you are streaming from, then I'll give you a shout out. You understand? Tell me where you are watching from, then I'll give you a shout out. And I hope you guys are hearing me very clean and clear because since that particular thing happened that day, before I come on my live stream here, I'll make sure the mic is working. You understand? I'll make sure the mic is working. And if you can hear me, let me see number one on the chat, please. If you can hear me, let me see number one on the chat. If you can hear me, let me see number one on the chart. Then we'll go straight to the analysis. We are just two on the live now, but you guys means a lot to me. You understand? You guys means a lot to me. So before wasting much of our time, I'm going to like do a top-down analysis on JPUSD, Euro USD, XAUSD. Then I'll wait for a question from you guys. I'll be looking out for I'll be waiting for you guys to ask me a question. If there's any pair you want me to look out for, like you want me to do analysis on for you, then you let me know on the comments. Either any type of pair or crypto, anyone at all, you understand? Let me know so that we'll just do it together. That's the reason why I'm here. I'm here for you and you alone. You understand? So, first of all, which pair are we going to analyze first? Which particular one are we going to? This is XAUSD on our screen, and as you can see, since this particular move, you understand, XAUSD is being trending to the upside. You understand? I don't know me personally. I know what is targeting. You understand? XAUSD is targeting 4K dollars. It's targeting 4K. You get, and 4K is around this particular is fast. Is like it's approaching 4K already. Just a little move to 4K. You understand? Just this particular area so that it will hit 4K. So that's what it's looking out for. Before we see any retracement to the downside, we will see that the market tap on this particular area. You understand? This is where we will see that XAUSD will move down from. That is where we'll be expecting a retracement to the downside on XAUSD. You understand? So if you come on your chart and you want to do a top-down analysis, what are you going to do? You go on the higher time frame. You understand? Me personally, I do it from the higher daily time frame. When I go on daily time frame, I'll know the direction of the market for the daily time frame. Then switch down to 4-hour time frame. Then mark a support and resistance level for the 4-hour time frame. Then I'll do the remaining one on the 50-minute time frame. But before then, I would like more people to join so that I'll show you guys what like the trade I will take in the morning. You understand? So that I'll show you guys the trade I will take during our London section live video. You guys, so that I'll show you guys the trade I will take during our London section live video. During that London section live video, I think I call out one particular trade. You understand? And I like do analysis and I show you guys what you're supposed to be like expecting from GBP USD and Euro USD, and it's played out. You understand? GBP USD, I told you on that particular live video, I told you guys that GBP USD, they're very good in sweeping liquidity, and it do exactly the same thing today. You understand? Euro USD played out the way it's supposed to play. You understand? But GBP USD tried to grab enough liquidity before it moved to the upside. But nevertheless, me, I know the direction and I know how it behaves. I know how GBP USD behaves. So I catch the move at the right time. You understand? But if you take a trade on Euro USD also, then means you catch it, like you catch it also. So let me go to Euro USD so that you guys will see what Euro USD give us today. The like the analysis I do on Euro USD in the morning during London session, so that you guys will see how it's played. So that you guys will see how it played out. So this is okay. So this is the analysis we'll do on Euro USD in the morning. You understand? This is the analysis we'll do on Euro USD. Although it's not go good evening, boss. You don't already see already. Good evening, good evening, good evening. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Tell me, did that your trade hit stop loss before it go in our favor, or it hits break even before it go in our favor, or you pick you get that 1 to 2? Let me know. Let me know real quick. You get that 1 to 2, or it take you out before it go in our favor? Because I'm going to show you guys how it look like now, like this. Miss Rachel, did the trade stop you out at break even, or you get that 1 to 2? Let me see a response from you if network is not disturbing you. I'm expecting the response from you. Expecting a response from you. Did the trade hit you out on break even? Because it reached 1 to 1, and I told you that you should put it on break even. Yes, it hits break even. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. It's the same thing that happens to me. He hits break even, and after he hits break even, he just goes straight. You understand? I know you see the direction of the market now. You see how far the market have gone. You understand? He hits me out too. How much in that generation? I think before I put it on break even, it bring out more than $25, but he hit me out at $2.9. I think $2.9. Yes, I even make a video about it, of which I'm going to post it. You understand? But not yet. I've not posted it. You understand? So I don't know if you take trade on GBP USD and it is still buying. It's still buying. You understand? It's still buying, but it's better. Like, don't, like, whenever a trade hits break even or hit SL, don't beat yourself too much, because there will be more, like, plenty more opportunities for you. You understand? There will be more, like, plenty opportunity for you. So you cannot beat yourself so much because trade hits break even. I'm sorry about that, but that's how that's how it behaves sometimes. You understand? So it has happened to me countless of time. Like sometimes, if not like, you know, that particular trade, USD JPY. Let's go to USD JPY. Let me show you the reason why I say that. Although I told you the reason why I said we should put it on break even, because the market was like is at a resistance level, a major resistance level, which is supposed to push down to from there, but I don't know why it pushed above that resistance level. You understand? So let's go to USD JPY. So let's go to USD JPY real quick so that we'll see it together. Let's go to USD JPY so that we'll see it together. Okay, this is it. This is it. As you can see, this is where we'll get our entry from, right? Then, see, I put my own on break even around here. You understand? I put my own on break even around this. I put it on break even around here. So it come down and hit. Okay, this is where do we take? We'll take the trade from here. Then I put it on break even around here. It come down, hit me out, then give this bullish engulfing candle, and since then it's just going. You understand? But nevertheless, you cannot beat yourself too much, because there will be more other this thing. Adibi would not put it on break even. That 1 to 2 is just clean. You understand? But the reason why we put it on break even, let me show you. And I think I even show you before we put it on break even. The market is on a major resistance level. You understand? And there is a gap. I don't know why market is behaving like this these days. And there is a gap. This particular market is supposed to come and fit. I know that whenever markets open with gap, there will be a lot of manipulation, but I don't know why this particular one is behaving this way. You understand? This is a daily time frame resistance level. Daily time frame resistance level of which the market is supposed to like push down from here, no matter what, it's supposed to push down from here, from this particular resistance level, at least give a retracement, respect it a bit. But you see the market break above it with full strength. You understand? The market break above this particular resistance level with full strength. And this is the main reason why I say we should put it on break even, because we don't know what is going to happen from here. I don't know that the market will have this a strong momentum to break above this particular daily time frame resistance level. You understand? Adibin is a minor resistance level, and for say, let's just hold it. You understand? But it's a strong resistance level. Like daily time frame resistance level is a strong resistance level that the market supposed to react from. But I don't know why USD JPY refused to react to respect this particular resistance level. But it is what it is. We'll still go again tomorrow, which is London session tomorrow. Don't miss that London session analysis tomorrow. Okay, let me show you what happened on GBP/USD also, because there's something I show you guys on GBP/USD when the market was creating an inducement, and I told you guys that GBP/USD is where that GBP/USD they very very good in sweeping liquidities. But let me show you what happened. Let me show you what happened on GBP/USD. Let me go to 15-minute time frame, then do it this way. This is it. Okay, I told you guys that when the market was consolidating here, as is approaching this particular support level, it start consolidating around this particular area. And I told you guys that is when I mark this particular thing out. I bring out this horizontal line and mark it out that the market is trying to create an inducement, you understand? And so that it will stop, like it will like push people to buy from this particular consolidation, that it's like as if it's trying to go to the upside. Like if you are not somebody who understands how the markets move, you take your buy from this particular consolidation, thinking the market is on the support level or approaching a support level, that it will move up from here. But I say no, this is an inducement and is a trap for retail traders to enter for a buy. So when they enter for a buy, it will just push below this particular consolidation that it do, clear everybody out. Then before you see a move to the upside, and what do you see? The market break below the inducement that it creates, come all the way to this particular place. You understand? As the market come to this support level, and I did not see a W pattern, and I did not see my pattern from the market, I just hold. You understand? I know that what the market is doing, what GBP/USD is doing that particular period, is to gather enough liquidity. You understand? That can be able to push it to the upside. You understand? But so I just hold on. I wait till the market give this particular engulfing candle, and on the 5-minute time frame, this is the pattern that the market give on 5-minute time frame. Immediately I see that engulfing candle, I switch down to 5-minute time frame, and this is the pattern. What pattern is this? This is the W pattern that I always tell you guys, and this W pattern happen from every time frame. You understand? Even 1-minute time frame, W pattern fall from 1-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, even 4-hour time frame. There is a W pattern before the market take the opposite direction of the previous trend. You understand? But I'm going to tell you what the market went all the way to this particular area to do. You understand? But I take this particular trade. That's just this. Immediately I see that engulfing candle from the 15-minute time frame, and I switch to 5-minute time frame, and I see a W pattern. See, I enter from this particular next candlestick here. You understand? And it give me 1 to 2 clean 1 to 2. That's what I target. Clean 1 to 2. It give me clean 1 to 2. And let me tell you what the market is doing next. What the market will do next. Let me tell you the movement of the market now. You see this particular consolidation. This particular consolidation is the reason for the break below this particular resistance level, support level. You understand? And whenever this is market structure now that I'm teaching you guys, whenever you see that market break below a support level or a resistance level, but this particular one is a support level, so I'm going to use this particular support level as an example for you guys. Whenever you see that the market break below a support level, target that particular high. You understand? That particular consolidation that makes the market break below the major support level. Market will move from down from where it reached. It will move up to clear the high of that particular consolidation before you see another push to the downside. This is the practical example of it on GBP USD. This is the last high, you understand, the market create, the inducement the market creates, which is the last high that caused the breakout of this particular major support level that we are looking out for. Let me see this question from you. I didn't take the GBP USD trade because I was busy waiting on the 15-minute time frame, but I enter Euro USD. That is very, very great of you. See, you are very smart. You are very smart. But that we are still going to like analyze on Euro USD because the market have changed its direction. But my major concern is that particular gap that the market creates. That it's yet, although GBP USD have filled its own gap, you understand, but Euro USD have not filled his own gap completely. So, like, it's giving me double mind that Euro USD will still go up to fill that particular gap, but nevertheless, we are still going to analyze. Since we are not a swing trader, all we need to do is to analyze and know the direction of the market in a short period of time. Then we'll enter our trade. Target 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is just very, very clean and easy to catch on the market. You understand? That like only when you will be having back to back loss is when you are targeting higher. You understand? Higher RR. You understand? When you are targeting higher risk to reward, that is when you will be hitting SL back to back. But if you stick to 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, like your trade will be playing out clean and clear. You understand? Let me tell you, I took a trade on XAUSD, which is good. I took a buy on good, and I took a buy on JPUSD. Then the one that me and you take together. You understand? That is USD JPY. Those trade today, in all of them end in profit. The USD JPY hits a break even. I don't mind. You understand? Yeah, XAUSD, I refuse to put it on break even. It hits take profit, which is 1 to 2. GBP hits take profit, which is 1 to 2. And if I even want to like target 1 to 4 on the GBP, forgive me, 1 to 4, but I just want to stick to that 1 to 2. Let me be like taking it slow and steady. And anytime I see that, yes, the direction of the market is not giving me what I really want, whenever the market reach 1 to 1, immediately I put it on break even. If you like, let it come and hit my break even before it take the right direction, no problem. But if the movement is not that clean for me, I'll just put it on break even if it reach 1 to 1. You understand? That is the only thing that keeps me going. You understand? So if you can apply that, don't be greedy. Greediness is the only thing that will make you quit trading. If you can be able to remove greediness from your trade, you are good to go. There's no way you can catch all the move in the market. No, you cannot catch all the move in the market. You get me right? There is no way you can catch all the move in the market. So just be targeting like 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Then you are good to go. There are people who are even like who always targets 1 to 1 and they are profitable. You understand? They are not greedy, they are profitable. Once you reach 1 to 1, risk what you can be able to lose. Then whenever I reach 1 to 1, you take it out. I even do that sometimes, but not always. But what I stick to is 1 to 2. I do 1 to 2 is always clean for me. You understand? 1 to 2 is always clean for me. So let me go to I will explain what the market is doing on Euro JPUSD now. Then we'll look then we'll do analysis on Euro USD also. Then we'll do analysis on Euro USD also. Okay, this is the last consideration that makes the market break below this particular support level. You understand? As you can see, the support level is very strong support level. Means as the market have break below this particular support level, the market went up to clear the high that caused the breakout of the structure, then it will come down again. You understand? It will like go down. This is what we are going to expect from the market now. The market now is giving us like more of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You understand? Presently. So what I'm seeing now, the market have break below this particular support level and it's coming back down. You understand? So I will go to the higher time frame, then analyze it like maybe 4-hour time frame, then mark a support and a resistance level from the 4-hour time frame, so that tomorrow we'll be expecting like to take a trade from that particular support and resistance level tomorrow. You understand? So this is what I'm going to do. I'll go to 4-hour time frame, then do a fresh analysis on 4-hour time frame. You get? I'll do a fresh analysis on 4-hour time frame. I'm going to wipe all this particular. Okay, I'll go first of all take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this. Then I'm going to delete everything here, all the. So this is what I'll be looking out for tomorrow on JPUSD. And if there is any pair, because me, I know you like USD JPY very well. You like USD. I don't know what you keep for USD JPY, but you like it very well. I don't know. Make I see this here. Let me see this here. What this your comment? Let me see this comment. You are just a godsend to me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. You bust my head. You bust my head. God, you bust my head. Jesus. You are just a godsend to me. I am so happy that I can take trade confidently without waiting for a signal and still be at peace with myself. God, thank God. Like Miss, see, but I don't know how this your the kind of joy this your comments killed me this night. Oh, you made my day. Miss, oh God, thank God. Thank you. And I really appreciate. And I promise I'll do more than that, of which you can be able to come to your chart, analyze your trade peacefully. Know it, like there's a time that you like I'll stay with you till whenever you come to your chart and you don't see what you are looking for. It will not even take you up to 10 minutes, up to 5 minutes before you know whether you can trade or not. No, I will stay with you and I'll tell you everything you need to be doing on your chart. If not because of all this live analysis that I always do, I'll just come on my anytime I come on my chart like this, mark a support and resistance level out, expect what I'm expecting from the chart. Whenever, if I do not see it immediately, I'll just close my laptop that particular time and just go. And I know when to come back again to look for what I would like. With my phone self, I'll be checking if the market have come to a place, because even this JPUSD trade that I take, I went home to like take a rest, you understand, take my bath and rest, then come back to studio. Then I see that markets have given what I am looking for. You understand? I just open immediately and I see that yes, markets have given what I'm looking for. And I enter the trade immediately and I pick my 1 to 2 jelly without stress. You understand? I even take the trade and went to bed and sleep. I wake up and I see that yes, he take profit, and that one that I take on this thing, XAUSD, he take profit. All of them, I wake up and I see that all of them he take profit. That is just it. So I will stay with you, tell you everything you need to be doing on your chart until you can be able to look your chart. If there is no any opportunity, you just went out immediately. No delay. You understand? No delay. Oh my goodness. This your comment have bust my head. Let me take a quick snap on this, man. Hi. Oh, this your comment have bust my head. Thank you. All right, let's go. Hey, God. Okay, so let me tell you what the market is doing here. You understand? Let me tell you what the market is doing here. On the 4-hour time frame, there is a strong support level that I mark on the 4-hour time frame, but the market break below that support level. But what I'm seeing on the 4-hour time frame now is after the market break below the support level, it went up and gave us this particular engulfing candle again, you understand, and the market is coming to the downside. Market these days, if you don't know how to do an analysis, you chop sell tire. If you don't know how to do analysis, if you don't know what market structure look like, if you don't know what inducement look like, you will chop sell, chop sell, chop sell until you get tired. You get, so see what the market is doing. On my mind, though, since the market have break below the major support level, the next support level that we're supposed to be targeting will be somewhere around here. You understand? But there is an engulfing candle I'm seeing now that is still like trying to confuse me or something. But nevertheless, I'm a day trader, and whenever I come to my chart tomorrow, I'll know what to do immediately. You understand? I'll know what to do immediately, and I'll just pray, let that, so that we'll have light. If we have light, I'll just come on live during London session, then tell you guys what I'll be looking out for, just the way we'll do it today. You understand? So this is it here. This is another major support level that the market will react from. You understand? Since the market have break below this particular support level, let me mark it out. Since the market have break below this particular support level, although it's still on the support level. Thank you, boss. I appreciate, my dear. I appreciate. The market is still on this particular support level, but if you look closely and if you go to the lower time frame, you see that the market closed below this particular support level, and what the market went up to do is to clear the high. You understand? That caused the breakout of this particular support level. So what I'll do now, I'll go to the high. Let me mark a support and resistance level out. Then I'll go to the lower time frame. Then I'll tell you guys what you're supposed to be like looking out for tomorrow. Even if I'd not come on live video during London section tomorrow, well, I just pray I come on live video during London section tomorrow. But if it happened I'd not come on live video, so that you know what to do, you understand, from a support level and a resistance level, you understand the pattern you look out for before you take your trade or anytime or do anything. So I'll mark a support and a resistance level out. This is one support level that the market is trying to break, but let's see how it's going to be. Then this is another. This is a resistance level. I'm even expecting the market to break above this particular resistance level before we see a break to the downside. But I don't know why the market is behaving like this. I don't know why the market is behaving like this. But nevertheless, we are still going deeper. That's just it. We are still going deeper. That's just it. You understand? So this is a support level. This is a resistance level. You go down to your lower time frame, which is 50-minute time frame. This is the major support level that I've been expecting the market to come, give us a W pattern, then move up, you understand, to clear this particular high. You understand? But the market break below this particular support level, then go up to clear this high that caused the breakout of the support level. Then what exactly are we seeing, and what exactly do we supposed to be expecting from this particular analysis now tomorrow? That is number one question. You understand? As you can see, this support level is a strong support level. And on the 4-hour time frame, what exactly are you seeing on the 4-hour time frame? There is a bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame. This particular candlestick is a bullish engulfing candle, and it look healthy for me. To me, it look healthy. So this is what I'm going to do here. This is what I'm going to do. Let me show you guys what I'm going to do. I'll wait for the market. As the market is coming to the downside, I'll wait for it to break below this particular support, this particular engulfing candle. Once the market can be able to break below this engulfing candle, just mark it. I'll mark it out. Then you screenshot it. I'll mark it out. Then you screenshot it. Let me mark it out. Then you screenshot it. Okay, this is it here. I'm going to like make it thick so that it will look very thick for you guys. And this is it here.